What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Alright guys, it is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now this is from Enrique Sanchez. He is a local collector. He has sent some awesome packages in the past. I don't know what's in the box, but it's pretty dense. So I don't know if it's loose castings or a carded car, whichever it is, but we're gonna go ahead and open it up with my trusty little blade here and see what we got. Let's see what is in the box. Alright, it says, what's good MHD, hope all is well. It sucks that you have to leave, but great for you in the long run. Stay safe and keep up an amazing channel you have. We'll continue watching you no matter where you go. Hasta la vista, mi amigo. rareDatsun. Turn it. And I know you don't have at least 2 of these cars. Enjoy them. Awesome, buddy. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna miss the collectors in the area, just being around everyone. Definitely gonna miss that, especially the amount of stores I have to hunt. I know it's gonna be completely different, but it's gonna be a new journey in South Dakota, guys. But let's see what my man sent. All right, we got some loose castings. All right, we got 2 on some bases. We're gonna go ahead and leave those last. All right, let's see what is in number 1. Check this out, guys. We got another mystery model Mustang Boss 302. Check this one out. Now this makes number 3. As you guys saw in my last mail call, I did get one in that package as well. So here we go, makes number 3. Super cool livery. Absolutely love the setup and color scheme of this one. I think I like this one a little bit better than the RTR, the Von Gittin Jr. version. I actually do like this, so sweet. Next up, it looks like maybe a Camaro. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that is nice. Check this out, guys. Look at that. I know Pete over at Old Man DIECAST absolutely loves his Camaros, and I'm sure he either has this one or would like to get his hands on one of these, but this is a beautiful casting. Check this out. Nice orange enamel. You have the gold, black, and yellow striping on the side, the black PR5s with the yellow trim, and then of course the nice cowl induction hood. Check that out. Got the yellow interior. You do have some roll cage castings in the interior, and then no tampos, just some casting details. But look at that. My man sent the 2 rivals back to back, Mustang versus Camaro. Nice. All right, next up, what do we got in this one? Oh, I love myself a GTR. Check this out. Look at that color. Looks like this was a custom through some nice 10 spokes in white. Look at that. Man, what is this from? It's a Tomica. Nice. Now that is a beautiful color. You got the nice burnt orange, metallic orange interior. You do have the black dash, so I do like how they separated that. Does have the opening doors, but check out that nice headlight detail, the grille. Looks like it has a charcoal metallic front bumper. But man, those wheels really pop on this color. And then check it out, you got the nice taillight detail, the GTR badge, and the Nissan emblem right there. Very nice casting. Let's see how this sits. Oh yeah, that is clean. Oh, that is nice. Love that, man. All right, next up, it looks like we have another GTR. Check out this color though. Oh man, look at this beauty. Oh, now that is freaking clean. Oh my god, look at that. Is this another Tomica? Oh, this is Majorette. This one is much better than the blue chrome one I have. Look at that green. Oh man, nice matte black detail for the grille, the GTR badge, and those wheels are nice. Man, look at the door handle detail. Got the nice tail lights with the GTR and Nissan badge. That is clean, man. Very nice casting. Check that out. I have a hard time deciding which one I like more, the burnt orange or the green, but I love the way it sits. Love the way the wheels are kind of cambered on that burnt orange one, but look at that. Oh, that is nice. Those are beautiful, man. All right, next up, what do we got in this one? Ooh, Look at this color. Oh man, that is nice. Look at that. Dark red metallic. You got the Hyper Jones. Is this the SS Commodore? It is. Look at that. SS Commodore. The chrome lace wheels, the black plastic wing. Now that is a nice four-door sedan right there. It's right-hand drive. You got the roll cage in the back, so nitrous bottle. Hyper Jones Crazy Cherry Soda. Never even heard of that. Love the color. Next up, what do we got? Here we go. Look at this. Is this the Tiburon? No way. Dude, I had a 2003 Tiburon GT V6, this exact body style in white. I had some inky wheels on it, full bolt-ons, and then I totaled it probably 4 months after I had it. Check this out. Dude, I've always wanted the Tiburon casting. Even when I had my Tiburon, I always wanted it, but could never find it. Check this out. Nice orange tinted glass. God, that, oh man, this brings back memories. That is freaking cool, man. Nice pearl white. Wow. Yeah, guys. So yeah, back in 2007, I had a 2003 GT V6 6-speed, which wasn't common. Full bolt-ons, everything you can throw at it, it had inside of it. And I totaled it, driving like an idiot, always racing it and speeding down the streets. And then, yeah, totaled the crap out of it. But look at that. Oh man, that is nice. So that's all those loose castings. Now let's see what is on the base. I'm curious. All right, what do we got right here? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, check this out. Now that is an interesting piece. Look at that. BMW Mini Cooper. Wow, that quality is nice. Look at that. You got the rear defrosters, the taillight tampos. Those wheels are just so nice. What is this? Ooh, auto art, man. Auto art is not cheap. I used to have the 118 scales, and those are like $100 and something. Man, that is nice, dude. Nice, beautiful casting. Jeez. All right, is this another auto art? It's like a Lamborghini. Oh my dude. The Murcielago. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my god, dude. Look at that pearlescent orange and the exact replica of the Lamborghini wheels. Look at that. That detail is phenomenal. Jeez, man. If you've never checked out auto art, definitely look at their 118 scales. I had some. They have actual seat belts, real carpet. I mean, full details. But look at that, man. That is beautiful. Oh my god. Enrique, dude, you are awesome. I cannot thank you enough for these castings right here. I don't know if you knew that about my Tiburon, but I think that is so cool. Out of all the castings you could have sent, it is the exact year and color as my Tiburon I had. That is freaking cool. But check this out, guys. Awesome castings from the Camaro right here in orange. You have the SS Commodore, the Boss 302 mystery model. These beautiful Tomica GTRs, which are just an amazing color scheme. Let me know in the comments which one of these was your favorite color scheme. I don't know, it is very hard. That Spectre Flame green is just beautiful, but that burnt orange with the white tin spokes looks sick. And then the Tiburon, of course, but these auto arts, Mini Cooper and the Murcielago, dude. Oh man, I cannot thank you enough. Just the fact you sent these castings, man, means the world, so thank you so much. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Like I always say, let me know which one of these was your favorite castings, and let me know your thoughts on the auto art. The quality is just wow. Especially on a 1/64 scale, they knocked the Lamborghini out of the park. And that Mini Cooper is just super sweet. Now right here, guys, I am in the middle of a trade with Frank Camacho. So I'm actually trading one of my Ultra Reds from Auto World for what is in this box. I cannot wait because one, it's a Johnny Lightning, and two, it's a Mustang. So Frank, thanks so much for sending your end of the trade. I will send yours out today. So let's go ahead and open this up and see exactly what we're getting. Nice. All right, so here's that neon colored monster truck Roger Dodger. There we go. Look at that. Now the colors are crazy. I know a lot of people aren't going to be a huge fan of it, but as you see right here, guys, I mean, look at all the Roger Dodger variations. Now that I have a good amount of them, now I have to continue collecting them. So there we go, the new for 2021 recolor with the cool neon flames, the blue metallic, super cool looking, very loud and vibrant, but it is super sweet to have. So we're gonna be opening that one up later, just like all of these other ones. And here we go, look at that. I've been looking for this everywhere. I've been going to Safeway trying to catch the 53s. And here we go, guys, the 71 Porsche 911. Check that out. Beautiful burnt orange metallic. You got the 53 and the blue stripe. Those blue chrome lace wheels look great. Check that out. And I love that it's got a black chrome base. Look at that. Man, I've been seeing so many people find these, and I cannot find these anywhere. Awesome, man. Thank you so much. And check this out. He sent another one. It's the Camaro, the 2018 SS. Look at that. Nice. Same thing, black chrome interior. You got the black base, but you got the black MC5s with the blue chrome ring. Now that is a beauty. Nice, man. Thank you so much for throwing these in there. And here is the white lightning. Check out this beauty. Oh, that is wicked, man. Now that is a cool white lightning right there, guys. The 78 Mustang 2 Cobra. Look at that. Now I do have this one in the purple metallic that it was released in. So now that I have this one, I have the two coolest variations along with the Charlie's Angel. So my Mustang Cobra 2s are growing slowly but surely. I think I have like 3 or 4 of them now. But I think these are the same as M2s or any other chase pieces for any of the Johnny Lightning, Auto World, and all that. It only makes up 2% of the production cars. So there we go, guys. Nice. Oh man, here is the Ultra Red that I am trading for that. It is the 70 Dodge Challenger RT. And it works out good because Frank said he actually has the dark green poly of this casting, so now he'll have the Ultra Red. So there we go. I'll be utilizing the same exact box. So I'll go ahead and put that in there, get the wrapping in here, and I'll get this all situated once I get to work. So there we go, guys. Check that out. The white lightning Cobra 2 from the Clue series, and then these orange 53s, the Porsche 911 and the Camaro SS. Now I don't know why I cannot find any of these, but I do want the full set. So hopefully Safeway or maybe Fry's will get some in soon. I don't know how long these have been out, but I've been seeing so many people post about them, and I haven't seen them here. But yeah, check this out, guys. The Roger Dodger Neon Shocker. So let's go ahead and open this up now. Boom, look at that, guys. Roger Dodgers are definitely growing. I'm trying to figure out which one is my favorite variation. I love the color of this Hot Nugget. That one's super cool. The Treasure Hunt one is really nice. I love the wheels on it. I love that it's more of a realistic setup, just like the blue. But there we go, guys. Roger Dodgers are growing. So just like King Nut loves his bone shakers just as much as I do, but I'm also a huge fan of the Roger Dodgers. So there we go, guys. Awesome. So Frank, thanks so much for the trade. I'll be sending yours out today once I get into work. But that is awesome, man. I'm super stoked to have gotten this one, and I'm glad you're able to get the Ultra Red of the regular one that you have. So thank you so much for throwing these in there along with the Roger Dodger, man. I definitely appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below what your thoughts are on the new releases of the Orange Series 53s, and then of course the White Lightning. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.